Okay, I'm videoing. I forgot what the date is. I'll tell you when I come back. As you can see, it's dusk, and this is where the first guy always shows up, right here. Um, okay, you see how the water all goes in? There's an island on the left. Well, across from that island, that's other side of the land. That's where all the drones come from. Okay, so just remember that when I'm videoing tonight, and I say, "Here comes the drones." You'll know that's where they're coming from, right there on the right side. Anyways, I'm gonna pause it and wait for this guy to show up. There he is. Look at him. He sees me. He's going in and out of invisible mode. A lot brighter now, isn't he, folks? Zoom in on him. You see him a lot better than earlier. Oh, well, that was right at dusk. The fucking sun was still up. The sun still is up. Hasn't set all the way. Um, but yeah, it's my Mohican, my boy. See him? See that? I don't know what that is. I'm very curious to find out what it is. Um, he usually does that when the drones start showing up. Let's see if we see any. Anyways, we got my boy right here. See, you can still see him going invisible, in and out. I don't know what the fuck that is. Yeah, any minute now, the what I think are drones start showing up. So let me pause and hang out for a minute. I'm like real close to him right now. Yeah, he's not scared of me at all. Oh, look at that. I fucking want to know how to do that. Teach me that. See him down on the bottom of the screen? I'm trying to get Mohican in it too, but I think he went invisible. That is definitely a drone, folks. Coming from exactly where I showed you earlier. If you notice, Mohican's just right here. And then the drone's just below him. See if I unzoom, you can see them both. You can see them both. Alright, I'll zoom in a little bit. Got Mohican and the first drone of the night going over there as usual. And here's some other UFOs. See him right there in the middle? Okay, that's two. They're all out here tonight. There's number 3. Just go invisible on me. That's number 3. And then right up here is number 4. Look at that. Going invisible right off the rip. So we got 4 UFOs and 1 drone so far tonight. And it is a beautiful night at that. I actually broke out the long underwear. Oops, let's see. I think I saw one. Yeah, here comes. That's another drone. That's not a UFO. He's way too close to the water. And look, he's coming right at me. Yeah, that's definitely a drone. He's just hovering around out there. And here's another drone. They're all over the place. Like, here's another one. That's 2. 3. That's the 3rd drone that we've seen right here. Why they're here? I don't know. Why am I here? I don't know. Why are they watching me? I don't know. So, yeah. So I showed you earlier in the video at the beginning what we're looking at in the daytime with daylight. And sure enough, here they come. Right from over the lake. They're all over the place. And look at Mohican. He's up here. He's above them all. So we have 4 UFOs and 3 drones, all in 5 seconds. Here, look at this guy, blinking away. Look at that. Just coming right over my property. Anyways, he's right underneath Mohican right here. And the other UFOs are all circling the perimeter of the lake in my backyard. That's 3 UFOs. I'm doing UFOs right now. That's 4 altogether. All right. And look, we have coming across the lake another one. What is this, 5 or something? I don't know. I can't even count. I'm cold. Drones, we'll see you later. Look at that. Now, don't even tell me that's a fucking UFO. Flashing red lights and shit. Those are definitely drones. See him? You can tell the difference. Look at Mohican. He's not moving. He's just sitting there. Anyways, over and out. I'm freezing my ass off. I hope you like this video, by the way. Forgot to look at the date. Shit. But it's like 5:15. I'll look at it later. Hold on a second.